Murder trial of a man accused of killing a witness in another trial that appears to draw to a close in Chattanooga.
Today, the jury heard closing statements in Andre Greer's trial. Greer's accused of kidnapping and killing Bianca Horton. The state says Greer killed Horton because she was set to testify in the murder trial of Cortez Sims. One witness who knew Horton in the weeks before her death described her as determined to testify against Sims.
Well, the defense maintains there is not enough physical evidence to tie Greer to Horton's death. However, the prosecution says Greer had a clear motive to kill her. News Channel 9's Lily Butler continues her coverage of this trial.
Let her truth ring loud and clear from this courtroom and beyond to the streets of Hamilton County.
Prosecutor Amy Wyrick said Bianca Horton was strong in telling the truth, something that she says is still being fought for in this courtroom.
And now you must continue. She started, ended on Elder Street.
But defense attorney Kit Rogers began his closing argument by saying this case should be about facts, not tugging at the jury's emotions.
And I have no doubt that they believe what they're saying, that they decided that he was guilty long before they ever arrested him. I mean, they decided he was guilty long before they ever did the investigation, and the investigation shows that.
Rogers maintains that the state's arguments are circumstantial and based on a bad perspective of gangs.
But we don't convict people because we think that way. That's the reason why we have juries of citizens.
Lily Butler there reporting. Once again, we want to remind you that we are not showing or mentioning the names of some witnesses for their protection and safety. However, we are reporting on witnesses who testified in an expert or law enforcement capacity.